chili farming techniques, we're diving into everything from land preparation, seed selection, and planting methods to harvesting techniques. Whether you're a seasoned farmer or just starting, these techniques will help you maximize your yield and ensure a successful chili harvest. Chili peppers are a global favorite, especially in regions like China's spice-loving Hunan province, where a yearly chili festival even includes a contest to see who can eat the most chilies. In one event, a participant downed 50 chili peppers in just over a minute. That's the kind of enthusiasm we want to see with our chili farming. Why is chili farming profitable? Chili farming is one of the most profitable crops in the spice industry. Let's break down why this is such a lucrative business. Chili farming on small land. You don't need huge tracts of land to turn a profit with chili farming. A small farm can yield high returns with the right techniques, domestic and export markets. Green chili has a strong domestic market in many regions. While dried chili has numerous applications in the food industry, from spices to chili powder and even medicinal uses. Storage flexibility. While fresh chili is perishable, dried chili can be stored for long periods, making it easier to manage your harvest and sell later. Export potential. Chilies have great export potential. Thanks to the growing demand for spicy foods worldwide. Jalapeno pepper farm and harvest is a work with a high return on investment. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Preparing the land for jalapeno farming. First things first, land preparation. The success of your jalapeno chili farm depends on how well you prep your soil. Soil requirements. Jalapenos thrive in well-drained, loamy soil with a pH level between 6.0 and 6.8. Before planting, you'll want to test your soil for nutrient content and pH balance. Based on the results, you may need to add organic matter, like compost or manure, to improve fertility. Plowing. Once the soil is ready, plow it to a depth of about 12 inches to allow air circulation and water absorption. This ensures the roots have the best possible environment for growth. Irrigation setup. Setting up drip irrigation is essential for hybrid chili varieties, as they require consistent moisture levels without waterlogging the soil. A drip system delivers water directly to the root zone, ensuring that your plants get just the right amount of hydration. Seed selection for hybrid jalapenos. Choosing the right seeds is crucial for successful chili farming. Hybrid chili varieties are particularly popular because they offer better yields, disease resistance, and uniformity in size and color. Benefits of hybrid seeds. Hybrid seeds are bred to be more robust and produce higher yields. They also tend to be more resistant to pests and diseases, which is a big plus in regions prone to these challenges. Seed treatment. Before planting, treat the seeds with fungicides or biopesticides to prevent soil-borne diseases. This is especially important for hybrid varieties, as they can be susceptible to fungal attacks if not properly protected. Planting and spacing techniques. Planting techniques can make or break your chili farm's success. Seed germination. First, germinate your seeds in a nursery or seed tray. This typically takes about 7 to 10 days. Once the seedlings are strong enough, they can be transplanted into the field. Spacing. Proper spacing is crucial for hybrid chili plants, as overcrowding can lead to stunted growth and poor yields. For jalapenos, a spacing of about 18 to 24 inches between plants and 36 inches between rows works well. Transplanting. When transplanting your seedlings, ensure that the root ball stays intact to minimize transplant shock. Water the plants immediately after transplanting to help them settle into their new environment. Fertilization and pest management. Once your chili plants are in the ground, the next step is to focus on fertilization and pest control. Organic fertilizers. Organic fertilizers like compost, cow manure, or vermicompost are ideal for chili farming. Apply the fertilizer before transplanting, and then follow up with regular applications every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Pest management. Hybrid chilies, like jalapenos, are usually more resistant to pests, but you still need to be vigilant. Common pests include aphids, whiteflies, and fruit borers. Use organic pesticides or neem oil to manage these pests. Regular monitoring of your plants is crucial to catching any infestations early. Flowering and fruiting stage. After about 2 to 3 months, your chili plants will begin to flower, signaling the start of the fruiting stage. Pollination. Hybrid chili plants generally self-pollinate, but natural pollinators like bees can help improve fruit sets. To encourage pollinators, consider planting companion plants like marigolds around the field. Support system. As your plants start to bear fruit, they might need physical support. You can stake the plants to prevent the stems from breaking under the weight of the chilies. Harvesting jalapeno peppers. After 3 to 4 months, your jalapeno peppers should be ready for harvest. Signs of maturity. Jalapenos are usually harvested when they are green, though they can also be left to ripen to red. Look for firm peppers with smooth skin. Hybrid varieties often mature uniformly, making it easier to harvest in bulk. Harvesting technique. Use pruning shears or a sharp knife to cut the peppers from the plant, ensuring you don't damage the stems. Regular harvesting promotes further fruiting, so don't delay once the peppers are ready. Post-harvest handling. Once harvested, proper post-harvest handling is essential to maintain the quality of your chilies. Sorting and grading. Sort the peppers based on size, color, and quality. Hybrid jalapenos tend to be uniform, which makes grading easier. Drying for storage. If you're planning to store or sell dried jalapenos, the peppers need to be thoroughly dried. You can use sun drying or mechanical drying methods, depending on the scale of your operation. Hybrid chili farming, especially with varieties like jalapenos, is a profitable venture with the right techniques. From careful land preparation and seed selection to effective pest management and harvesting, each step plays a crucial role in your farm's success. And with the increasing global demand for chili peppers, both fresh and dried, your investment in chili farming is bound to pay off. Whether you're farming for local markets or eyeing export opportunities, jalapeno chili farming is a spicy way to success.